Uh, Hello everyone, we're going to log in and create a double-ended cable assembly. Um, so I'm just this is it just logs me in. This is the notification area. How many cable assemblies you have in progress, how many notifications, and these are just some shortcuts to it. So let's say we want to create a new assembly. I'm going to write test 42. The connector I want to select here is 5501 dash, and you notice it'll start giving me examples or what we have in store. Uh, Moving on, the connector is clearly shown in 3D. I think that's the right one that I need. I'm going to select the shrink tube that is needed at the end of the cable. I need the more material to be neoprene. Splicing is acceptable. I'm going to move on to the next one to select the right hand side connector. Uh, Here I think I want the 55R1 1508, and yes, I want the shrink tube on that side too. We'll name it J5. Neoprene molding and splicing is acceptable. The length of the cable can be 10 feet, 4 inches long, and we're going to go to the next step. Yes, I need the certification. These remain the same. If there was any HiPod test needed, I would enter it here and write the test for it, but I'm just going to let it pass for now. The next one being schematics. So as you see, the left side connector is 1506, the right side is 1508. I can connect all of them as my circuit diagram provides. Um, so for these two, as they are not connected, I'm going to write not connected here. I'm going to annotate these two to not connected. Uh, so I'm going to annotate every one of these plus 24 volt DC. This is ground. This one is transmit, receive, and to light, positive to light, negative. I can annotate on the other side too if I want to. Sorry. If I wanted to, I can annotate that. But I think for me, the annotation on one side is enough. Um, and so I'm going to review this. Everything is according to what I want to see. 1506. This is 1508. The cable, I'll let the manufacturer select the cable. There is there is a certification needed, yes. And then the wiring specification seems. Now I want to share it with my manager or with my colleague, and I'm going to just say S. There. So tell us what you think about this. We'd like to hear your feedback. Can you make these kind of assemblies and wiring diagrams uh, within such short time? Um, the other thing is, if you request modeling from here, the design freezes, you cannot edit after that, and you receive a cable model of this. You receive an engineering drawing, a JPEG file for it, all all of it sent to your inbox, and you don't have to create any models or any, pull out the pictures from datasheet and stuff like that. So let us know what you think about it. We are eager to have your feedback and tell us what features you would like to add to this. Thank you.